Hi, as you can see, everything looking so beautiful and attractive. Want to learn how to make this? Let me tell you what all we have covered. So this is our Raksha Bandhan Hamper Delight workshop. In this, we have first taught you how to make all the things which we have placed inside. We have covered 10 different variations starting from Parsi Mawa cake, Rasamalai cake tub, rose pista cookie, almond biscotti, peri cookies, masala spice nuts, assorted brownies, as well as various kinds of assorted chocolates and chocolate mithais. Everything is completely eggless, so not to worry. After teaching you all this, we have shown you how you are going to pack everything in an individual packing or a box packing so that it looks very beautiful when placed in a hamper box. After that, we have shown you how to make hampers when it comes to shelf life as well. So you can cater to different shelf lives. We have covered 4 kinds of hampers in which all the hampers are decorated either with ribbons, nets or artificial flowers and many more variations. So we have apart from this covered the pricing, packing, shelf life, how you are going to decorate everything, and the fees for this workshop is DM to know that details. Thank you.